Hello and welcome to another Adobe Illustrator CC 2018 video tutorial on using the Transform Each process. So this is kind of what we're going to finish with. There's three different examples. All I did was start with a curvature tool, and I just made a second artboard. So I'm just working on the second artboard, and press the P key to end the line. Then there's a variety of things I can do. I can go to Object, Transform, and Transform Each, or I can hit Alt, Shift, Control, and D, or I can go right-click, Transform, Transform Each. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to, just on this first one, I'm going to move on the vertical axis, and I'm going to do 15 points. And you can tell it inches or centimeters or pixels, and I'm just going to go 15 centimeters, and I'm going to go preview, and you see it moved right there. But I'm not going to just say OK, I'm going to say copy. Then I'm going to hit Control D. Over and over again until it moves down there. So that's 15 pixels. You could do it with a different object, or you could change the distance. Give it a try. Second one, I'm just going to go Control C and Control V to copy and paste. And I'm going to go Control G on this one and possibly make it a little bit smaller. Then on this one, I'm going to go, this time I'm going to go Control, Shift, Alt, and D to open it up. Change it on the horizontal scale by 95%. And again, you can try different things, it doesn't matter. I've got a vertical of 15 points again. And I'm going to say copy. So it got a little bit thinner, a little bit smaller. And then I'm just going to hit Control D. Over and over again, and I'm going to group that, Control G, move it a little off to the side here, and then I'm going to go Control V, because I still have that pasted on my clipboard, and this time I'm going to go to Object, Transform, and Transform Each, so I've showed you all three of them, and now I'm going to go 95% on the horizontal, 15% on the vertical, and I'm going to change it by 5 degrees every time. So I'm going to hit copy, and then I'm going to go Control D. And group. Now, you have to have 3 examples of this. One where you just move it, one where you move it and shrink it, one way or another, and one where you move it, shrink it, and angle it. Thanks for watching.